Sí. Sí. Ajá. Ahí está, güey. ¿Ah?
Después de la parchada.
¿La qué? Sí, ya, eso no tiene que ser ahorita, güey. Pues tenemos que aprovechar ahorita que está Gilberto, porque yo tengo una appointment con el doctor ahorita a las 11:30, so I'm just gonna help with catching it. Yeah. So ahorita que él se va a ir ahorita a las 11. Nomás le vamos. ¿Cuál, güey? No, se va a freír. Yo tengo el spray. No se quiere.
Okay.
Tiene una cubeta así. Ahí hay cubetas. ¿Tú vas? Esta sotana se la va a llevar,
¿A qué, perdón?
Pues por si la ocupa. ¿Quiere echarle estas? Ahorita que acabe le echa las... Ajá. And these are the cracks that we feel. I don't know. You can see there. feel all these cracks here. You see that? See the crack there? It's pretty close to the color on the concrete, but on the concrete I have like two-tone color. Just one thing I want to mention to you guys. You guys see this coloration here on the floor? We don't have control over this. That's just on the concrete. Here, a couple areas there. It doesn't matter how much you grind, you're still gonna have that. You see this area here? There's a couple more areas over there, but if you want to have everything nice and even, then you might want to go with that micro topping or something. But this is just grind and seal, just to give you a nice clean look. Let me show you guys another crack here. Right, it's time to talk to the customer.
Hey.
Well done.
Wow, it
know,
looks so
right?
good.
Yeah, right?
Amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. that was so trippy, that design.
The design?
Oh,
yes.
it's terrible. Every time you walked out, you were like, very cool.
Yeah. Those colors, do you see there? This just on the concrete, that's coloration. You see those
Yeah,
gray
that's
spots?
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's expected.
Yeah.
For sure, but the cracks you guys
Yeah,
did a
we
nice
feel, we
job.
open them. Yeah, we filled them.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. You guys can walk, do whatever you guys. It's already dry.
I hope so, because I'm on it.
No, it's dry.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty hot outside, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of a coating is it?
It's a water-based acrylic sealer.
Okay.
Water-based, yeah.
Okay. Cool.